My channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a natural anti-aging Botox cream. This cream contains large amounts of collagen and it's a wonderful cream that you can use at night. To make this wonderful cream, I'll be making use of flaxseed. Flaxseed contain fatty acid, which will help to keep the skin moisturized, smooth. It also helps in preventing fine lines and wrinkles. Seed will also help to tighten the skin to prevent sagging. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. So I'm going to add it into a pot. Another wonderful ingredient is chia seed. Chia seed is high in antioxidants, which will help to fight radical damage caused by sun exposure. Chia seed will help to hydrate, add glow to the skin. Contain omega-3 fatty acid, which will help to fight aging and reduce acne scars. I will add water and allow to soak for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes of soaking the seed, I'm going to allow it to boil for about 3 minutes because I need the gel from the flaxseed. After about 3 minutes, I will turn off the heat and allow to cool. When the chia seed and the flaxseed has cooled down, I'm going to use a cheesecloth. Then I will squeeze to get the gel. When I'm done squeezing, this is the gel that I got. So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of the gel. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has healing properties. It will help to moisturize the skin and also to treat various skin conditions like acne, sunburn. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Olive oil will allow the ingredients to mix properly. It will also hydrate and moisturize the skin. I'll also be adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is so good because it will moisturize the skin. It will prevent or minimize the appearance of scars, and it's also good for preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin. This will help the skin to retain moisture. It will also help to increase skin hydration relieve dryness, and also soften the skin. Then I'm going to mix until well combined. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this homemade Botox cream. This cream contains large amounts of collagen that we can get from the seeds, and it also helps to tighten the skin to prevent premature aging. This cream will help to moisturize the skin, help collagen absorption, so smoothing and tone the skin. This on your face, neck and hand, and store this in a fridge for about 5 days. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.